still shining, and I'll believe we'll make it through to the other side of this darkness. So you can throw away the key to my door, but I still own my heart, and I'll wear it freely upon my sleeve. To intoxicate me with all your medication, well, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. But that's alright, cause you're just doing your job and trying to feed your kids as well. And you might be lost more than I am, for it is no measure of hell to be well adjusted to a profoundly sick society. But whatever, we'll keep on journeying on together on this weird little ship. And I know in my heart that one day I'll have to be released. Maybe it'll be soon, and I hope that all my friends too will be released sooner than later. The truth is, the nurses, they're stuck here longer than me, so whatever, whatever, whatever. You can lock me away and throw away the key, but I'll keep on journeying to the best of my ability. For a while longer I will play my song and sing along if you do. We don't know the answer, we can figuratively figure it out for a moment of truth between the lines. And all the lies that we have been told will convey to nothing. If we remember our own personal truth, the most important of all. Love exists, and if you find it, hold on tight, for it is the greatest of blessings. But don't get caught in the headlights of the false truth of one who only loves you for some perspective, or blah blah blah. I'm done. That was amazing. That was amazing. You get it? Yeah, yeah. Okay. That was so special. Like that is like.